The wildest ride in the wilderness. Real. Alright, we good now? We filming, bro? We filming, bro?
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the frame.
Bro, we filming now, man?
Your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, that's because this here's a
Let's go. Dude, that line was fast. Oh God, this is gonna hurt. No, we're good. You see? We're good. Further up. Oh yeah, that is a good view. That's a great view, man. Let's go. Crazier second half. Oh shoot, hold on. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, this is it. Holy shit. Yeah. What? This is the last part. Yeah, this is the last part. Yeah, it's that. Oh God, I'm about to slide so far. Yeah, that ride is long.
Yo, we made the right decision. We
Yeah.
Oh my God.